If 65% of the number x is 21, then what is 10% of x? Well, let's break this down because there's actually a couple things we don't know here. First of all, I don't know what x is, and I certainly don't know what 10% of x is. So we've got some stuff to sort out, and I think the easiest way to do this problem is to figure out what is x. Once we know what x is, we can figure out what 10% of x is, right? And sure, you could guess. You could actually sometimes make reasonable guesses for a few of these. Like, you might look at this and just intuitively think, 5.2 seems too big, or 3.2 seems too small, but I'm not sure you could really guess your way to an accurate answer. So let's walk through how we set up a math sentence. 65% of the number x is 21. Okay, that's the first thing I want to look at. What that means is 0.65 times the number x equals 21. So we can solve this the way we would balance any sort of equation. We divide each side by 0.65. Calculator's going to come in handy here. So those cross out and we get the following. X equals 21 divided by 0.65. Great. X equals 32.308 blah, 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 blah. Great. So what is 10% of x? Well, that's the next step. 10% of x just means you take literally 10% and you multiply it by x. Okay, well that's going to be, I have so many parentheses here. That's going to be 0.10 times 32.308. Okay, which equals 3.2308, like that. And oops, looks like my original estimate that 3.2 was too low. Not such a great estimate. So be careful about estimating these things. When it's a simple percentages, you can usually solve them pretty quickly just setting up a math sentence like this, a single variable equation.